We hadn't seen a thing.
Now it stopped.
Not yet.
More? Yeah, more.
Huh?
There's one going up the...
2.
Yeah.
What?
Yep, I got him. I've got him on video. He's... Yeah, here comes another one.
That's what you...
I got...
Huh?
Any more? Here's one up there. And another one here. And another one here. It's jump. Here comes another one. There's another one. How many is that now? Oh, look at these guys. Here's another one coming down, and 2 more.
Yeah, and another little baby just about to jump down. There he is.
That must be about 10 or 12 now, right?
Are they going to the beach or what?
Yeah, they're going to the beach. It's Saturday. The whole family's going to the beach. Here's another one.
I don't know a latte. Oh yeah, that's good. He's slower than some. Not in a big hurry. We have it on video.
Yes, and here's another one up there.
They get quite a ride.
You missed that batch. Here comes some more.
Okay. About climbing the back where he came from. Behind the heaviest trunk.
Yeah, here he is, right there.
Right. Maybe he's looking for something to do.
Oh, he's watering the...
Yes.
Watering the jungle.
Crawl down like a rat. He was going to do his kamikaze thing.
He's just sort of hanging out.
Yes. No, I decided you didn't want to go down there.
Where'd he go?
He went down on the next branch. Oh, there he went.
Oh.
Oh, he's climbing across the top. Isn't that amazing? Oops. Well, they probably don't weigh anything.
Whoop.